but that is nice. You can customize it any way you want. All right guys, today we're going to be talking about the Olsa Tools 3rd row 3/8 drive magnetic socket holder. This one's a little bit different than the ones we know already, and they come with their own lettering. So you could do all kinds. You could do your Torx, you could do sockets, you could do your screwdriver impact bits. It has everything. So what I'm going to do with it today is I have some miscellaneous. I got my Torx, I got some swivels, I got some metric 3/8 drive chrome sockets. We don't use too much chrome. Then I just have some miscellaneous that I use. So I'm gonna organize these with this, show you what it's all about. All right, so I'm gonna put my Torx right here in the middle. I got the levers. Then I'm gonna put my chrome sockets here. Allen sockets that I can put them back here. Hope I remember where all these are. So I got that, and I have my miscellaneous, and I have some more right here. This is just like pre-tools 22mm. Same thing, I just didn't have room for them right here. Put them there, bam. And this is my disc brake caliper socket, the only one I got. Perfect. And I got a swivel. As you can see, it has all kind of different stuff. I'm going to be using that T25 730 all the way down. Alright, I'm not going to bore you with doing every single one of them, but that is nice. You can customize it any way you want. And let me show you the best part. This magnet right here is, I set it on here like this the first time and almost couldn't get it off. I thought I was gonna rip it. Like, not going nowhere. To get it off, oh my goodness. It's legit. Like, you could literally stick this on the side of your toolbox, and because I mean it ain't going nowhere. All right, so if you're looking to get your own, you can go to olsatools.com, pick you up a set. Part number is 1683.